Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I can't get it out of the way because it's so big. Today we have our Norlii box. I'm so excited. I'm loving the decor, so let's get into it and check it out. Norlii is a subscription box and it's Scandinavian design, and what I love about it, what draws me to it, is I'm finding myself drawn to more clean lines lately, and this is clean lines but it's kind of organic because they do metal and wood and fabric. It's just more natural items, glass. I'll show it to you. I will also link the last Norlii that I did a couple of months ago, because the items that I received in that are downstairs on my dining room table right now. I have the little, I know, you're here for the new box. I have the little planters that we got with herbs in them. I just have really liked the introduction of cleaner lines. I used to do a lot more antique-y, cottage chic, you know, that kind of thing, but I feel myself drawn more and more to clean lines. So Norlii, N-O-R-L-I-I, is a combination. It's between Nordic and living, so they just combine them. So we have Norlii. When we open it up, we have our paperwork that will tell us about what we are getting, and I follow them on Insta, so I have seen a couple of spoilers, and there's something in here I absolutely can't wait to get. If you do it as a single purchase, it's $89, but if you sign up to receive it bi-monthly, it is $74.90, and if you do it yearly, it brings it down to $69.98 a box. This was gifted to me free for review, but because we're reviewing it, they gave us a really great discount code. So I will put the link and my code below, which is just McCarty15, and it will get you $15 off your first box. When we open it up, this gives us an idea, tells us what we have inside, but we don't want to cheat and see that yet. So let's dig into this. It's a nice big box. Everything is always, everything is always wrapped so nicely. I'm telling you what, I'm gonna reach in for one of the items because all of the other items are in it. Are you ready? It's so awesome. Oh my gosh, oh, it's heavy. Can I do this with one hand? Yes. Look at that basket. How gorgeous is that? Okay, let me set it down. What we have first is this gorgeous basket. Oh my gosh, can you not see this? Can you tell how big it is in your living room with like throws? You know how they always take throws and roll them up and put them in there? This would be so gorgeous for this. What has struck me the most about this box is I love the quality. Like, I mean, this is a gorgeous piece. You can tell by looking at it. I can tell by holding it that it's just a quality piece. Can you see the bottom? It's just so well done. It has a nice weight. It's lightweight, don't get me wrong, but it has a nice weight to it. I would be so happy to put this in my living room. Can you tell? It's going to my living room. The brand is Bloomingville. Try to keep this in picture while I read to you about it. Basket with handles from Bloomingville. It is braided in seagrass and its natural color. Perfect for stylish storage of your belongings to keep your entrance tidy. I love this basket's very airy wicker. It's elegant and it's also practical as your items do not disappear to the bottom because you can see through it. It is 13.3 by 9.4 inches and it's $48. What do you think is 9.4? Or 13.3? I really wish that I had a measuring tape up here. I'm gonna put that on my list of things to bring up here because that's my hand. I mean, it's 3 of my hands. That's gotta be more than 13 inches. And that's gotta be more than, all right, I don't know. Maybe that's 9, maybe, I don't believe that's 9. Here's a pair of scissors. I mean, I think it's bigger than that. And I'm happy about it because it will hold a lot of things. Like I said, I think I am going to put blankets in it because it's so pretty. And let me feel. Yeah, I was just gonna see if I could push or if it cracked. You know how sometimes if you get cheap ones, they crack, or if the edges, how many seagrass things, I hope that doesn't look rude, but you know what I mean? The edges aren't sharp. It's not gonna catch on me and shove something into my finger. It's just a quality piece. And next out we had this. This is just a keychain. I hesitate to say just a keychain. I'm using this too. It's like a knot, like an infinity knot. Let's see what they say about it. This is from, is it Oi Oi? Oh my goodness. Keychain leather, Oi Oi Living Design, and it's O-Y-O-Y, Living Design. The keychain from Oi Oi Living Design is named The Knot. It is made from leather and has a brass ring for your keys. It is functional, gorgeous to look at, and will add a decorative element to bring with you on the go. $19. So it's leather. I mean, it's a keychain. I wish that there were some way that you guys could touch, feel the weight, feel the, quality is difficult to express through a camera, but this is so pretty and will absolutely be going on my keychain. I like it very much. Next out, we have a box and it says dish. So we have a dish. We've narrowed it down even more from box to dish. Now we have a dish wrapped in paper. They send things so well protected that, all the way from Scandinavia to your front door. And you guys know, we've talked about it. I would not be like talking about the quality of this or how awesome this even felt if it weren't true, because I know this is not an inexpensive box. Home decor has gotten so expensive, but I have found it to be worth it. I really like the quality of the products, and this is a metal tray. I just feel like my husband is going to grab this for like his keys, but you could set a candle on it. You could use it for so many things, but just on a table with a candle in it, that would be so cool. The bottom has little pads so it won't hurt your table, it won't move around, it won't scuff. The paperwork says iron tray in sand from Brost, Copenhagen. The iron tray with the open corners can be used as a chic little key tray. Having a small tray catch your small belongings when you come home is very practical. It has a $27 value. Isn't that pretty? You can see the design they're going for. It's just the naturalness of it, the clean lines. I love it. So with Norlii, they do focus on the colors of gray, white, charcoal, and beige. So everything you get from them will have the same vibe, the same feel. So you will be building a really, really pretty room. This is so heavy. I'm holding this up with my left hand because the box is not incredibly big. I just set my elbow down. It is so heavy and gorgeous. It's clearly a vase, a Lyngby vase. So let's check it out. It says it's 20 cm. And I have it, I think everybody did, in smoked. This is the thing. I said that I had seen a spoiler. This is the thing I had seen and I was so excited about. But oh my gosh, it is so heavy. So heavy. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that just gorgeous? I wish there were a way I could show weight, because does that show weight? Does that help? Like up top, but down here? Hear the knock of it? It's kind of a charcoal gray smoke through it. Actually, I bet it leans. Yeah, see when I put this next to it, it kind of pulls the green of the charcoal out. Do I have anything blue? Well, that was not a great example, but I suspect if you put something blue next to it, it would pull the blue out in the charcoal. It is gorgeous. I could just see this with regular seasonal flowers in it. We're going into fall, going into Christmas with just a few like holly sprigs coming out of it. This is gorgeous. This is what I was so excited for after seeing it online, and it does not disappoint. Glass vase, smoke, Lyngby. The stunning vase from Lyngby is a classic in many Scandinavian homes. This clean line design goes to the 1930s. Use the vase for fresh flowers in your entryway, giving you pleasure every time you walk in the door. The vase matches tea light holders you received in your Norlii box in August of last year. Darn it. Oh, they have them for sale in the shop. Okay, so this has a $70 value. If I didn't tell you the basket had a $48 value, the tray was $27, and the keychain was $19. I feel like we discussed that, but just so you know the value. This is gorgeous. And like I said, it does not disappoint. That is the latest Norlii box. You guys will have to let me know what you think. I am in such a mood to just redo, and it's only gotten worse because I've told you guys in the past, I follow the Wads. I'll link her below. She's so funny. She does a lot of cooking. She has a family. It's vlogging, but she just redid her living room and she took some of her darker pieces out, and I love the way it looks. So now I want to take all the dark pieces out of my living room and lighten up everything that's in there. And this will go so far with giving it that light, airy look. So we have this beautiful basket, this Lyngby vase. the pretty iron tray, and this really cute keychain. Oh, I should put that in here. Perfect. So you have your little, oh, but seriously, that's, it's just where I am in my life. This is the things that I'm drawn to. Let me know below again, what do you guys think? I will put my link and my code McCarty15 below. It will get you $15 off your first box. So thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I basically want to run downstairs right now and find homes for all of these things because that's how I roll. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'm gonna go play with my vase. Talk to you guys later. Have a great evening.